We're live, guys. What is going on? So today I am opening up a package that I received. Yes, you boys. I'm finally getting a free stuff. From companies. They're sending me cameras. They're sending me phones. Apple just offered to send me a bunch of stuff. Now I'm playing. So, as you guys probably know, I have a separate channel that most people are. If anything, you probably know more about that than this channel. But I talk about crypto on that channel. And someone reached out to me, or a company reached out to me and said, "Yo, we like what you do, and we want you to potentially, we want to partner with you." Now, in this case, it's not like a crypto company. It's not like a coin or a project. Oh, Telegram. It's actually a clothing company. What's in that now? It's actually a clothing company. So I told them, yeah, of course, dude. I love me some crypto clothes. And they have a really cool twist in it, and you'll see in a second when I take it out, because they just sent it to me, actually. Chilling. So yeah, so it was pretty much a crypto clothing company, and they actually what they do is they make crypto clothing with a twist. So it's not like your regular like shirt with like just Bitcoin on it or whatever, even hats or whatever. They have like a little twist, as you can see, like this really cool design. Internet money, bitch. Um, it has like a very streetwear vibe to it. Now, what I wanted to do was because they said, "Yo, listen, Hunter, you can choose up to 6 items from the store, right?" So I said, "Word, say less." So your boy, instead of getting just 6 T-shirts, I was like, "All right, let me switch it up a little bit so I can kind of show off a thing here or there." And yeah, bro, let's see. So your boy got a hat. I got me a couple T-shirts. Let's see this one. Oh yeah, this one's really cool actually. Hold on. And by the way, so these are the kind of things, the collabs I kind of want to do. Like, I don't want to really collab with like a project or anything like that because I feel like I don't know. It doesn't feel right for someone that reviews crypto projects. I don't think it makes sense for me to do a sponsored one. I don't know. I'm still kind of debating that. But I would prefer to do collabs like this any day of the week because this is like, all right, I can easily do something like this. I get free clothes out of it. I get clothes out of it, and you guys can get exposed to dope stuff. And it's not like it's biased. It's not like I'm shilling you something or whatever. And I'm technically shilling you this, but still. Let's see what this says. It says, "Congratulations on your new apparel. It has been created with the latest in shirt printing technology. All inks are water-based and eco-friendly." Oh, wow. "This gives each print a soft, comfortable feel. You may notice some discoloration or off-white residue, but don't worry. This is a special solution used for printing and can sometimes leave marks during the drying process." Okay, cool. They're not stains in the wash-off. Let's just get into it. So, one of the first ones that I saw that were dope is this one. Let's link. This is so dope, dude. Yo, let me see. Yeah, it does. It does feel a little different, right? Yeah, it feels a lot different. And you can tell this is color based. Interesting. The only thing I'd worry about with something like this, and this is like anything that's screen printed, at least is what it feels like. It feels like it is like it getting washed off in the dryer. But this looks legit. I mean, as you can clearly see, the brand, by the way, is LCXS merch. LCSX merch. Obviously, I'm making this on my main channel, but it's only because I don't know, raw videos in this channel, crypto videos later on the other one. But I thought it'd be dope to show you guys, these guys are actually sending me some stuff. So this is the first instance of me being sponsored, I guess, by any means. I did I don't know, not a sponsorship per se, but like, I guess it is like a sponsorship. I don't know, but like, I did a video for another project a while ago, and that was actually more like a company, like an algorithm trading bot company. And I'm never gonna do that again. Like, they're really cool people. I just don't do that stuff. I don't trade. I don't like algorithm bots. I mean, I just buy crypto, bro. The other thing I really wanted to kind of show off here too is like a little neck gaiter they sent me. Yo, this is crazy, bro. And the video idea I have for this is gonna be dope. Like, this isn't just it's not gonna be just me reviewing the products. Like, anytime I do like a sponsorship or anything like that, like, I want it to be cool. Like, obviously, sponsorships that are just like videos that aren't video specific, they're like in the middle of a video. That's like, I don't know if I can be too creative with that. But I told the guys that because they said, "Yo, we can send you like 3 things. We can send you 3 things, and it can be in the middle of a video or something like that, right?" I'm like, okay. I mean, we could do that. Like in the middle of one of my videos, I could just show off some gear, and in exchange for me showing it off, I'll get 3 things. But I thought, okay, well, if they're willing to give me 3 things, why don't I just do a whole ass video, and double it up to 6 things. Yeah. So and the thing is, like, the idea that I have for the video is going to be dope. I mean, I might as well tell you guys anyways. So what I'm thinking is, I'm gonna go to the city, and literally just like be wearing this stuff and interviewing people, like straight up, asking them questions relating to crypto and whatnot. But it's gonna be specific, like streetwear people, people that are in, downtown Soho and Supreme, all those different places. I'm gonna go down there and ask them questions. So I'm gonna do that later on this week. And as you can know, I mean, I got a lot more shirts. Shit, I forgot which ones are which. Wait, did they send me? They sent me. Yeah, yeah. Okay, I was gonna say. Wait, no, they sent me 6 things. They sent me 7 things, bro. Wait, hold on. They sent me 7 things. Oh my god, these guys are so dope. Wait, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What? Dude, they sent me fucking 7 things. I feel so bad, bro. And it's funny because the shirts are different qualities each time. But bro, I feel so bad. Like, and this is what I'm saying, right? I'm gonna look at it. I'm gonna show y'all soon. But like, this one's so dope. But like, I don't know. Like, I love to do, like, to me, like I've always like dreamt of getting stuff for free. And I know this isn't free technically because I'm making a video out of it. But to me, this is as good as free, dude. Like, you know what I mean? I gotta get rid of some shirts that I don't like anyways. I gotta, I needed crypto shirts. I needed crypto gear. So the fact that I got it now, bro, this is crazy, dude. Holy shit. Oh my god. Dude, so I got a little DeFi shirt over here. HODL gang. What I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna unbox all these. I mean, take them all out of the thing right now. But what I will do is, and this one's dope too, the Bitcoin one. What I will do though is, go to my other channel. Obviously, you probably already know about it if you know about this channel. But subscribe to that channel and take a look at that video when it comes out, because so you can see all the shirts. Top notch quality. I'm telling you guys, it's gonna be great. I have like a little mic that I'm gonna go around asking people questions in the city. I think it's gonna be cool. So to me, it's like it's the best of like all worlds. I get free stuff. They get, I get gear. They get exposure. People get some get to be exposed to a really cool brand. And yeah, that's cool. I mean, I don't know. I kind of like it. Dude, they sent me 7 things. I feel so bad. I gotta email the guy now. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace. Damn, that's crazy, dude. That's nuts. Hold on.